and this is just absolutely breathtaking. We're going to Chilham. We found a new little village which is supposed to be very nice, and there's not many people who live there, around 1100 people, and there's a nice castle there. Today we'll be checking out the gardens. Lovely weather. Can you see the beautiful landscape? There's miles and miles of these sceneries.
Look how tall these trees are. This would be nice to look at in the autumn.
It's spring and there's bluebells.
That's true.
I'm just happy we came because of such a scenic drive, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Oh, look at that, look at that. That farmhouse there. Oast House, they're called. Oh, goodness me. It's like out of a story, isn't it?
Yeah. Young Manor Farm.
Young Manor Farm, yeah.
Nice.
Lovely. Editor Daisy here. Just want to point out Chilham village, where the castle is situated, is on the map. It is in the county of Kent, and it's between Ashford and Canterbury. All right, well, I'll see you when I get there. We only have like 1 mile to drive.
Turn right onto Taylor's Hill, then you will arrive at your destination.
Summer.
Oh, we need to turn right here. Hi guys, so we just arrived at Chilham. Just parked the car. It just seemed like the castle is a distance away. Well, not too far. We just need to walk for a few minutes to get there, and the parking here is very, very good because it's free. Yeah, free parking. We're not used to that, are we?
Nice, huh?
Tall trees. So we're just going walk into the village now. Nice tea room.
Oh, look at this stuff. Lovely. Like the house is a bit different. It's very medieval.
The houses here are really different, and this is a tea room. And so we just walked uphill.
These are
about
not
500
houses,
meters.
These are actually restaurants. We just kept it very authentic looking.
I can see now why people want to come here. So we'll go and find the castle now. Okay, so this is the entrance of Chilham Castle.
Open to their car. Oh, so you can all cars be stopping. So you can take your cars in, but we got free parking.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We'll leave our
We went
car
too far
there.
uphill.
So we just need to find where we pay for the tickets. I don't think it's here, is it? Yeah, that's where you pay for the tickets. So we're just going to get the tickets. I think it's about £5. £5 for the entrance. Hi guys, so we just paid. We went to the ticket office and paid to visit the grounds only, which is a lovely garden. It's quite big. They've charged about £5 per person, and that's really cheap actually compared to other places. So we're just going to go around. It will take an hour to go around it. Oh my god, look at this beautiful tree. Let me turn the camera to you. Big tree.
The castle's just right behind.
Lovely. That's a good starting point. The leaves come all the way down. Oh wow. There's such a beautiful prospect of this building. And there you go. All that is part of the grounds. And this is just absolutely breathtaking. There's people having little picnics everywhere. I could die for this view. Oh my god.
Look at that. There's lakes there. I don't know if you can see it from how you can see it from here.
And the view you probably get from one of these windows must be awesome. On a day like that, you can see miles and miles of scenery. By the look of it, this castle is, you can't see it from the main road. You have to walk inside, and there's this big castle with this wonderful ground and scenery, and when you step out of the castle, that's where you see that little village. So they've kept that feel, that medieval feel. Okay, so this is the rear aspect of the castle.
Nice.
Seem like they've had some activities here. Oh, this is a plant I've never seen before. Hi guys, so we just walked through this entrance to the quiet garden. Beautiful, isn't it?
Look at that.
It's nice and shady here, isn't it? Right, so we'll now go to the kitchen garden. Oh, look at that lovely cottage there. Through the quiet garden to the kitchen garden. Oh my god. Oh, how lovely is that?
Tennis courts here, by the way. You can come and play.
Is there?
Yeah.
Right.
Look.
Oh, banana trees. Look at that. I'm glad. Abby's glad we are not the only people owning a banana tree, yeah? You're not the only weird one. See? These are banana trees. But what I'm really surprised that these plants are actually in flowers, because they are tropical and I have them in my garden, but they never have flowers. So yeah, it's good to know. I must be doing something wrong. Oh god, the castle's got its own tennis court. Surprise,
It's got
surprise.
a few actually. There's another one there. They're just doing their job. Don't go too close.
There are bees at work.
They'll bite you.
Yeah, there's so many of them. Better get out of here before it stinks. Yeah, we did. And we're now going to the lake.
I think there's a really nice walk.
Oops. I think I've done my 10,000 steps today. So many families here having picnic and walking around. This is like a bridge over the lake. See, you can see the castle from here. It's so peaceful.
Nice, huh?
The ducks.
Love it.
We've walked quite a bit all around the lake and in the ground, so we're just going to sit down here, take in this beautiful, amazing view, and we're going to eat some biscuits and drink coconut water with Abby. You must try these lovely biscuits. What the heck is it? God, can you hear any voice? There's children inside this tree. You can't see any of them. You can only hear the voice. Going uphill. I know.
All of that is open. We haven't been that side yet.
It's too big.
Because they got animals.
Can you see those houses there?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're peasants' houses.
Yeah.
Look at that view. So beautiful. Imagine standing here and looking out into your garden. Right, so we are leaving the castle ground now.
Take a.
So we'll
Look at
just
the
go.
village. The church they have,
Yeah.
and then we'll head.
And then we go to the village. So we've just left the Chilham Castle and we walk through this gate, across the parking, and we're now in St. Mary's, the church. So they just had a funeral in there, and because of COVID-19 they have to clean everywhere. It's a nice looking house near the church. All these houses here are period properties, as you can see. How quirky does this post office look? Nice view. You better like this video and subscribe. Bye!